Hello friends, welcome you all on your PDA education. So friends, as you know, your PDA give you every day at 7 p.m. a update regarding job related to technical field. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the job opening in CSIR, that is Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute, Pilani. Now this is the notification for online interview, and here you can see the number of vacancies and engagement of project staff. So vacancies are for project staff. Now the project name is GAP 6717 and group SDDG junior research fellow GRF. Number of vacancies 2. Now qualification required, here you can see if you have MSc in electronics and nanoscience, nano electronics, physics applied and all, or if you have BTech or MTech in triple E electronics, EEEC electronics, then you can apply. Okay, now age limit is 30 year, and the emoluments per month, or we can say the scholarship that you are going to get per month is 31,000 plus HRA as per rule. Now next is SRF, that is senior SPF, senior project fellow. Number of vacancy 1, and for its for this MTech in electronics, communication, microwave, RF, radar required. Here the scholarship is 35,000 plus HRA. Okay, now desired qualification and experience in using 3D electromagnetic simulation tool is required. So similarly here you can see project associate only BTech agriculture engineering required, project associate 2 BTech food technology required, and with here there is a 2-year relevant experience. Here project associate for biomedical. So here you can see vacancies are for basically food technology, agriculture, biomedical, electrical, electronics and all. So your PDA is basically providing you a, we can say, alag tarah ki vacancies your PDA is giving you. Okay, here you can see these are the details. Okay, so you can go through this all details, that if you are eligible or not. Here you can see in MTech and material science required. So different branches are there. Now here is the details that 31,002 scholars who are selected through national eligibility test NET, a selection process through national level examination conducted by central government. So GATE etc, if you have, then you will basically have the edge over the other students. Okay, and the date of applying is from 2022 6/21 and 11 a.m. to 28 6/2021 till 5 p.m. Okay, now the links and all of this notification are given in the description. Obviously basically if experience is required in some we can say categories, then final year students or basically final year students are not eligible. So friends, this is a very brief basically idea. Okay, so for detailed notification you can follow the link given in the description, and thank you very much friends. Just subscribe your PDA education and like and share the video. Thank you very much.